What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this Valentine's Day inspired makeup routine. If you are just new joining in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you won't miss out on any new content from me. So let's go ahead and jump into this look. For those ladies who are getting ready for date night, want to look good for their man, and if you don't got a man, girl, get one, because this look is to die for. I'm going to be starting off this look with the James Charles by Morphe palette with this dark pink color from that palette in the shade Love That. And this color, you guys, is so pigmented. I immediately fell in love with it, y'all. But we're going to go ahead and pop that in our crease. You guys already know I started my brows off camera, so if you do want to see my detailed eyebrow routine, that will be in the description box below. From that same palette, I'm going to go in with this lighter pink color in the shade Skip, and I'm going to use that to blend out that dark pink that we just used, because we don't want any harsh lines. We want this look to be completely seamless. For this look, I am going to do a cut crease. You guys, I am so over the cut crease, but I felt like this look absolutely needed a really defined cut crease. So I'm just going to go in with any color concealer and just chop it. Now I'm going to go into the Elsa palette from the Colourpop Frozen 2 collection, and I'm going to go in with this color in the shade Cuddle Close. You guys, I love, love, love this shade. It's a white shade with a very subtle undertone of blush. It's really shimmery, it's cute, and it's perfect for my base color for my lid, because you know I'm going to go in and play in some glitter with this look. Oh my goodness, you guys, so my camera died and I had to change my battery, so I did not record me putting on the glitter, but you guys know how I usually do it. I apply a very thin layer of my eyelash glue onto my lid and then overlay it with the glitter. But for this look, I did not want to do a very dramatic winged eyeliner. So what I'm going to do is just line my lid as if I was going to do the wing eyeliner, but instead of taking it all the way out to the corner, I'm going to stop right at the end of my lid, and then I'm going to take this really defiant brush and I'm just going to blend that into that dark pink shade that's in our outer corner. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and get into this face. So my skin is not at its best right now, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Dermilogica moisturizer, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. You guys know I love, love, love this product. It moisturizes my face but also matizes at the same time, because you know I have super oily skin, so I need that perfect balance of moisture and matization. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go on with my absolute favorite primer in the whole wide world, the POREfessional by Benefits Cosmetics. You you guys know that this is a matinizing poreless primer for your face, and it's literally the best thing in the world. If you don't have it, you need to go to Ulta right now and cop that. Okay, so today for foundation, I'm going to be using the Il Makiage Woke Up Like This foundation. You guys, if you have not seen this all over your Instagram, where have you been? Because they are doing an amazing job of marketing this product. But I decided to try it, and I am absolutely in love with this. It's a weightless. I chose my color online by taking a quiz, not in store, so I didn't get a chance to test it. But if you guys want to try it out, I will link them in my description box below. And they do have a 14-day trial period because it retails for like $41, but you don't pay that full price. You try it out first, and then they charge you for the rest. But it is so worth it, you guys. Y'all already know today I'm going to be highlighting with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Deep Sand. And y'all, please don't roast me on a stick over an open fire in the comments, because this pimple on the side of my face, the size of Wendy Williams' ankles, I know it's there, you guys. I already stated my skin is not at its best, because we all know it's going to be that one hater in the comments that I'm going to have to block. So, get off me. Now I'm going to go on with my clean damp beauty blender to blend out my highlight. You guys, I do not know how many times I am going to stress this, but please make sure all the tools you're using to do your makeup, yes, I just stabbed myself in the eye, but please make sure everything you're using on your face is clean, because you do not want to be applying new makeup with week old makeup. It's just not good for your skin. Make sure it's clean, you guys. Your skin will love you, okay? Now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution setting powder. You guys know how I like to set my highlight. I press the product into my skin and then go back over it and bake. This prevents from any flashbacks when I take pictures. Y'all, I don't even know what I was listening to. I've been listening to a little bit of everything, but y'all know I can't go without looking like a chicken on Snapchat for y'all. But we're going to go ahead and dust away that setting powder, because we do not want to be looking like mostly ghostly in our pictures, boo. I probably had this setting powder baking on my face for a total of 5 minutes and then dusted it away. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to be using this cream contour palette by e.l.f. I am in love with this palette. Like, I love everything about it, you guys. It is the best cream contour palette that's affordable that I have ever found. I found it at Ulta for only $8, so if you don't want to break your bank but want a really good cream contour palette, guys, go get this palette. If you are like me and you have pounds of fat hiding your jawline, y'all, let's just go ahead and contour our jawline, because we do not want the double chins popping on Valentine's Day, okay? Now that we finished contouring our face, I'm going to go ahead and go on with that same banana setting powder, and I'm just going to use that underneath my contour, because y'all, if y'all want that effect of the crisp, nice, tight, crisp inner cheekbones, ooh, don't skip this step. get that